We're here at the abandoned flip. As you can see, I'm just here today. I'm trying to get the stuff around this car cleaned up. Like all this grass, all this stuff around the car. You're trying to get this thing cleaned up. All this mess right here gotta go. Where the other car was, the model color was here. So I'm gonna clean this up. And all the stuff right here. Hearing something in his bushes over here. Hearing something walking. What is that? Oh my God. That's that. I don't know. I hear something. It ain't that big old animal. But yeah, we're here to clean this mess up right here. And just to get this car, get around this car cleaned up. So we can move this sucker. Take it to yard 1. So I'm gonna get started with that. I'm just recording this for right now, then we'll come back and record the finish, and that will be it. Not too big of a job. What is that? I'm definitely hearing something in this tree right here. Yeah, I'm definitely hearing something. But yeah, that's what we're here today for. I don't want to take too long here today. I got other business to take care of. But I do want to get all this mess cleaned up right here. I gotta take care of this. So we can get this thing prepped to get it out of here. Then we can start cleaning this mess up back here. The camera kind of dark. Too much light, I mean. Yeah, then we can get back here and clean all this mess right here up. I'm trying to wait till the days get really cold to do this right here, because I do not want nothing jumping out biting me like a snake. But I think snakes should be in hibernation right now. But I don't know. So we got to get started with this, because I don't want to be here all day. And I will come back to show y'all what we have done. Yeah. So, yeah, I thought I heard something in the house. Thought I heard something in there. So, okay, guys, I will be back shortly. I will be back as quick as I click my finger, and I'll be back. With the power. How'd it go with the guy? He can just snap his finger and change the universe. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna snap my finger and I'll be back just that quick. That is best as we're gonna do today, guys. That is the best we are going to do today. Yeah. It's a lot. We got a lot done today. Could have been more. Could still be more, but I gotta go. I got things to do. I really would like to drop this car on the ground. I got my jack. It really won't take that long to do that either. Let's see. You know, guys, I forgot why I got the thing jacked up. So, yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's get this thing jacked up and take these blocks from up under it. I can't see. What am I looking at? Yeah. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, let's get this done and get these blocks from up under it. Good. Okay. Yeah. This should be pretty easy. Get it out the way so I don't have to bring this jack when I come back and I move it, but I still might actually break the jack. Oh, okay. Okay. Gotta be careful here. We're lifting everything up. Okay, there you have it. Put this thing down. I think I did that for a reason. I think I just did it because I was working on the front end, so I had it jacked up. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, guys, there you have it. One step close to getting all this mess up. And them trees have grown back there. All them, not trees, bushes. A lot of bushes and stuff is growing up back here. So, excuse me. This is gonna be very hard. This is gonna be very hard. I said 2 weeks. I think I can do it in 2 weeks. Give or take. It might be a little longer. Could be shorter. But one thing, we gotta get it done. Get all this mess up. And then we can take this old deck down. I don't know. Well, we might have to brace this sucker up a little bit more. Work on it. Get this back room up and good. And then tear it down. I think that's what we gotta do. Yeah. Because we need something to stand on. We're closer because we tear this down. You know, see how far that is up there? See that? That's not a short distance. So yeah. But anywho, we're good for right now. So now we have to just move this car. We gotta move this car. We gotta move this car. And we'll be good to back the trailer in here. Start moving all that old wood. There's the car still sitting over there. I don't know if we're gonna move this one over here as well. Over here as well. And then get the stuff out of here, but I move this car over here. If I move this car over here, that means how can I get my trailer in here and then back in here? I will literally have to come come in right here at a slant, then pull up all the way up here, then bag the trailer in here like this, and that's tight. That's kind of tight. I think I can do it though. Once I get them bushes up there moved, we can do it. So, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back at the abandoned flip, or when we're in the yard 1 or 2. Peace.